Hey, my name is Jesse Galbraith. I'm trying to help you decide how you're going to choose a niche for your online marketing, or if you want to call it niche. I've heard it both ways, and I don't know, niche sounds fancier to me. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I got honorably discharged from the military just recently. I was in the Army National Guard for 6 years, and then 3 years in the Army Reserves. So I was serving my country, and I wanted to find another way to make money. So I chose, a good source of income is affiliate marketing. And the Partner with Anthony 2019 is one of the best ones that I've found. I've done different affiliate programs before. I've done MLMs. I've done different types of marketing to try to figure out what I really want to do. I've done Tai Lopez's SMMA course. So I've found ways to create extra sources of income, and that's going to be one of the best things to do, is have multiple sources of income. So you can join Partner with Anthony, learn the basics, the foundations. He teaches you the tools that you need to be successful with affiliate marketing. He also teaches you how to get traffic from different sources that he currently is using and what's working for him. Teaches you email marketing and all this stuff for only $7 a month, which is super low. And then you can choose if you want to do extra programs from him, if you want to just do stuff for other people, like how I'm going to be doing affiliate videos for Tai Lopez. I'm going to be doing affiliate videos for a conference that I went to that's called Thrive. There's so many different things that you can use the knowledge from Partner with Anthony, and then you can build the foundation into your next step of choosing a niche, because you can choose, if you're into hunting, you can choose hunting products. If you're into fitness, you can choose fitness products. If you're into meditation, you can do meditation products. Because ClickBanks is one of the programs you can go to, and you can start going through and seeing in which one of the niches that you want, and you can see the top products, and obviously those are going to be the ones that are working better. So if you have a foundation of how to get traffic to a funnel or to a YouTube video or any of that stuff, then you're going to have the foundation set to be successful in the next few steps of going into your niche. So what people try to do right at the beginning is they're trying to be into niching out and figuring out, oh, I just want to go into fitness, I'm going to go do all this stuff, but they have no foundation, so it causes them to fail. You can't be afraid to fail, but you're always going to fail if you don't have the right source of information coming straight to you. So that's one thing that I wanted to make this video about, was to try to help you understand that you don't necessarily have to niche down at the beginning, but you do want to find someone that's going to teach you affiliate marketing, that you're going to be able to have that foundation to build into a niche. Or you can do multiple niches. You can do multiple different affiliate programs, because when you have your core concepts set and perfect, then it doesn't matter about a niche. How do I make it profitable? Or profitable is what a lot of people are going to be saying. And you can't make it profitable without knowing how to get traffic. And you're not going to find online courses that are free that are going to give you, hey, this is how I get my traffic. This is for you for free. And for $7 a month that Partner with Anthony is, it's not going to be much. So down in the description below, I have a link to the Partner with Anthony program. You can go watch the video if you want. You can go there, just automatically sign up. It doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to get this information out because I want to help more people be able to create a side income online from home and do it with ease. I will help people with YouTube, because I know Anthony is actually currently learning it. He knows a lot of the other stuff, but I've taken actual programs from people and paid for it to learn how to do organic video views, and to be one of the people that get a source of traffic for free, because I'm going to do paid, I'm going to do free traffic through social media, which includes YouTube, Instagram, Facebook fan page, Facebook groups. There's a lot of ways to get both types of traffic and start becoming a brand of affiliate marketing, because there's always going to be people that want to know affiliate marketing. There are always going to be people that need it. And if you're doing a program where you can help people, which is what I want to do, I want to help you make income, then you're going to be successful and you're not going to have as much chance to fail. So in the description, like I said, click that link. I'll be starting to share my Facebook affiliate page as well, so you can follow that, and I'll be putting on tips and different stuff and making these videos for that as well. This is one of the first videos of kind of me reaching out with my affiliate Facebook page created. But besides that, just let me know if there's anything else you need.